Ever dreamed of starting your own online store, but thought it was too expensive or complicated? Well, it's totally doable even on a tight budget. In 6 steps, I'll show you how to build a beautiful, high-converting e-commerce website using affordable platforms like Shopify and Wix. 1. Choose your e-commerce platform. Shopify, perfect for beginners. It's super easy to use, has tons of apps to add features, and their customer support is awesome. Wix, great if you want more design freedom and have a creative flair. It's also got built-in AI, which is a bonus. Both offer free trials, so play around and see which one feels right for you. 2. Designing your storefront. Templates. Don't worry about coding. Both platforms have tons of beautiful pre-made templates. Just choose one that fits your brand. Customization. This is where you add your personal touch. Your logo, colors, and some high-quality product photos will make it look professional. Mobile-friendly. Most of your customers will be shopping on their phones, so make sure your site looks amazing on every screen size. Essential pages. You'll need a home page to welcome people, an about page to tell your story, product pages to show off your goods, a contact page, and clear shipping and return policies. 3. Adding your products. Images. Professional-looking photos are a must. Good lighting, multiple angles. Show off your products in the best possible way. Descriptions. Don't just list features, talk about benefits. How will this product make your customer's life better? Pricing. Be competitive, but also make sure you're covering your costs. Discounts and sales can be a good way to attract new customers. Inventory. Don't forget to keep track of your stock so you don't accidentally sell something you don't have. 4. Setting up payments and shipping. Payment gateways. Make it easy for customers to pay. Connect with PayPal, Stripe, or even just take credit cards directly. Shipping. Figure out your shipping costs and decide if you can offer free shipping. It's a great way to entice shoppers. Shipping carriers. Use a reliable carrier and offer tracking so your customers know when their order will arrive. Taxes. It's boring but important. Make sure you're following the rules for collecting sales tax. 5. Optimizing for search engines. SEO. Keyword research. Do a little digging to find out what words your ideal customers are using to search online. Use those words in your product titles, descriptions, and website content. On-page SEO. This is stuff like making sure your website is well organized and the code is clean. It helps Google understand what your site is about. Backlinks. Think of these like votes of confidence. When other websites link to yours, it tells Google you're legit. 6. Marketing your e-commerce website. Social media. This is your free advertising. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and run contests. Email. Collect email addresses and send out newsletters. It's a great way to stay in touch with your customers. Paid ads. If you have the budget, ads on Google and social media can get you in front of a bigger audience. Content marketing. Write blog posts or make videos about topics your customers care about. It's a great way to bring in organic traffic. Additional tips. Clear value proposition. What makes your store unique? Why should people shop with you? Tell them. Social proof. Customer reviews are powerful. Encourage people to leave feedback and display it on your site. Scarcity urgency. Limited time offers or low stock alerts can create a sense of urgency and get people to buy now. Easy checkout. Don't make people jump through hoops to give you their money. Keep the checkout process simple and straightforward. That's it. You're now well on your way to launching your own successful e-commerce business. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.